Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's word is albeit, a conjunction that means even though or although. It's a fantastic word to add a touch of sophistication to your conversations or writing. Let's dive into what makes albeit special. This word is used to introduce a contrasting idea or to concede a point. For example, you could say, "The weather was cold, albeit sunny." Here, you're acknowledging the cold weather but noting that it was still sunny. It's a great way to express contrast in a concise and polished way. Now, let's explore some synonyms for albeit and how they work in sentences. Synonyms include although, though, and even though. For instance, instead of saying, "He managed to finish the project, albeit with some delays," you could say, "He managed to finish the project, although with some delays." Another example could be, "She enjoyed the event, even though she was tired." Each synonym works well, but albeit offers a more formal tone. On the flip side, albeit doesn't have direct antonyms because it serves as a conjunction for specific contexts. However, you could consider phrases that lack concession, such as and yet or but, which can create a contrasting meaning. For example, instead of "the journey was difficult, albeit rewarding," you might say, "The journey was difficult but rewarding." In everyday life, you might use albeit to refine your expressions. Imagine saying, "I enjoyed the meal, albeit it was a bit spicy," when describing a dining experience. Or, "The team performed well, albeit under significant pressure," when discussing a sports event. It's a word that elevates your language while keeping your meaning clear. Let's try a few more examples of albeit in sentences. She decided to join the hike, albeit reluctantly. The book was engaging, albeit quite lengthy. He accepted the challenge, albeit with some hesitation. Each example highlights how albeit introduces a subtle contrast to enrich the sentence. To sum up, albeit is a conjunction that means even though or although. It adds contrast and elegance to your sentences. Synonyms include although, though, and even though, while contrasting ideas might replace it with terms like but. Try using albeit in your daily conversations or writing to practice this new skill. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed learning about albeit, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I also encourage you to create your own sentence using albeit and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the world of words.